Welcome to Learn to Geospace channel. Today we will discuss the introduction of geography and the main branches of geography. So let's start the topic. The word geography is derived from Greek word geographia. Geography is divided into two words. Geo means earth and graphy means description, literally meaning the description of the earth. Geography is the field of science devoted to the study and the land feature, inhabitants and phenomena of the earth. Basically, geography is the study of place and the relationship between the people and their environment. It can be defined as the study of physical properties of the earth, including how human affects and are affected by the physical properties. Here, geography explores the both physical properties of the Earth's surface and the human society spread across it. It also known as the bridge between the human and physical sciences. So the geography can be divided into two broad branches, physical geography and human geography. First one is a physical geography. In physical geography, we will study the geographical aspect in physical manner. It is the study of earth climate, soil, stream, landforms and the ocean, etc. And second branch is a human geography. It is the study of distribution of a network of people and cultural on the earth's surface. These two main branches divided into different branches. Let's discuss the major branches. First one is a physical geography. Focuses on the geography as an earth sciences. It aims to understand the physical problem and the issues of lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, pedosphere and the biosphere. Geomorphology is the main branch of a physical geography. In this subject, we study the origin and evolution of a topographic features created by physical, chemical and biological process on the earth's surface. For example, mountain, lakes, river, etc. And second branch is a climatology or climate science. Is the scientific study of a climate defined as the weather condition average over the period of time. Third main branch is oceanography. Here we study the physical and biological aspect of the ocean. Fourth one is a biogeography. In this subject, we study the description of a species and ecosystem in a geographic space. Fifth one is a soil geography. In this subject, we study the distribution and variability of a soil. And last one is the environment geography. It's also the main branch of a geography that describes the explain and the spatial aspect of interaction between the human society, their natural environment. And the second branch of geography is a human geography. Is the branch of geography that focuses on the study of pattern processes that shape the human society. It is the combination of the human, political, cultural, social and the economical aspect. First branch is the economic geography. In this branch, distribution and the spatial organization of economic activity. In this subject, we study the economic aspects from geographical point of view. Second one is a political geography. It is the study of effect of a geography and the international politics and the relation. Third one is a social and the cultural geography. In this subject, we study the social and cultural distribution and the differentiation in a region to region. And last one is a tourism geography. In this subject, the study of travel and the tourism as in and as the social and the cultural activity. Thank you.